As you get home from work and get settled tonight, it's good to stop and take a minute to think about your hurricane kit.
It needs to be customized to your family's needs, but there are some basic elements that every hurricane kit should include. Here's CBS 4's Lauren Pastrana.
Here in South Florida, our hurricane kits should be ready long before a storm approaches. If a hurricane hits, the reality is we can't rely on modern conveniences like a microwave oven or even on running water to take care of your family.
First, check that you have enough water to last at least 4 days. That's 4 gallons per person, and add another 2 gallons for each pet. Store tap water in clean containers. You'll need at least enough non-perishable food to last 4 days. Stock up on canned fruits and vegetables, canned meats, peanut butter, cereal bars, and instant drink mixes. You can supplement these with bread, cookies, and fruit like apples that don't spoil quickly.
Of course, you might also lose power, so here are a few things you need. Be sure to have a manual can opener. This is really important, as well as stocking up on several batteries in all different sizes, and also get at least 1 flashlight per person. For more tips on how to stock your hurricane kit, just go to our website, cbsmiami.com. Lauren Pastrana, CBS 4 News.